Hi guys, my name is Guilherme Valderez and you are in G Technology channel. This is a clip from my live that I stream every Thursday on G Tech Live. If you want to participate with me during this live in my other YouTube channel, please click on the link in the description, subscribe in the channel and go there, participate with me live with me and send your message and your emojis and everything you would like to talk to me. Go there and participate with me every Thursday, okay? So today I'm going to talk about a new product from Huawei. Is that how you say Huawei? Huawei, Hawaii? I don't know. I spell Huawei. I say Huawei. So let's go to see what is this new product from Huawei, Nova 8i, announced with Snapdragon 662 64 megapixels card camera and 66 watts charging. Huawei's Nova 8 series so far include 4 smartphones: Nova 8 5G, Nova 8 Pro 4G, Nova 8 Pro 5G, and Nova 8 SE. That numbers changed to 5 today as the company added a new member to the lineup, Nova AI. There's a lot of smartphones with the same name. The Nova 8Y sports a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus LCD touted as an headless display by Huawei, which is surrounded by 1.3 millimeters bezel on the left and right side and a 1.35 millimeters bezel on the top. The screen has a pill-shaped cutout in the upper left corner housing the 16 megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the Huawei Nova 8i houses 4 cameras inside a circular island. The setup consists of a 64 megapixel primary, 80 megapixel ultra-wide, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth sensor units. Huawei says the back cover has a 4D curvature which delivers precision engineered rounded edges for an ultra-smooth touch. Under the hood, the Huawei Nova 8i has a Snapdragon 662 SoC with 6GB and 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. And on the software front, you get Android 10 with MUI 11 on top. The Nova 8i features a side-mounted fingerprint header and a 4300 mAh battery, which is advertised to go from flat to 6% in 70 minutes and fully charged in 38 minutes with the bundled 66 watts charger. It's a very good thing. The Huawei Nova 8i comes in Moonlight Silver, Stella Blue, and Starry Black colors and is up from pre-order in Malaysia in 8GB of RAM and 128 GB. Configuration for murder through the company online store. This smartphone is very interesting. It's a average smartphone with a very fast charger and a simple Full HD Plus LCD screen. It's not even an AMOLED, with very good cameras, and that's it. That will be another smartphone that will compete with other smartphones that are on average category. So I don't know if it will be a good smartphone to have for you, but if you like Huawei, if you like products they made, maybe this will be a cheapest product for you to buy. But I prefer to buy a Xiaomi, like Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. That is the best, well-built smartphone with cheapest price all over the world. I don't know if you can find. I don't find any other smartphone that can beat Redmi Note 10 Pro, Redmi Note 10 in our day. So I don't know if Nova 8i will compete with Redmi Note 10. If they compete with it, they will lose because it's not that thing. And maybe it would be a good thing for them to realize that they have to create more and more best smartphone for compute in this world that has a lot of brands, a lot of companies building a lot of new smartphones, and they are building 5 smartphones for the same for the same name, with one top and the other average, and other and go to down, 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 down. So I don't know if it would be a good thing for us. And if you like what I talk here, and if you like to participate with me during this live, please go to my YouTube channel, GTech Live, and participate with me there. There I stream this live every Thursday. Okay, see you guys in the next clip.